Hey guys, today we're going to be trying to battle Prodigy Pro in Prodigy, so let's just get into the video. I'm going to change my thing real quick before I get into the battle. Hopefully he doesn't start one, and I'll see you if we battle him. Okay, so it looks like Prodigy Pro is actually going to battle me, which is insane. He promised to battle me, so now we just have to wait for him to finish his battle, and we will battle him. By the way, this is on a live stream. Okay, so we are actually battling him right now. This is insane. Oh my god, he missed. Bro, this is insane. He is raging right now on stream. Let's go with Torrance to just go ahead and destroy him. That's 7. This is insane. Okay guys, so he answered and that was an insane hit. He goes with an electric attack, which also does really good. But luckily he missed a question, so we look like we are going to have an upper hand in this battle. We're going to use Volcannon so that we can use a double attack next time. And another question correct. Let's hope that he doesn't get the question correct. Okay, so we just answered the question and we take out Pterosaur. Let's see if he takes out us. He does 6,302. Very powerful. This looks like it's going to end up in a draw at this point. I'm also kind of stream sniping him because I saw what pets he's going to use. We're going to use Magmayhem. Let's see what pet he uses. Okay, so he chose his wizard. Insane. The answer is 3. Hopefully we can just get this battle over with because I have to go soon. And because he's like celebrating right now about how he just got paid $5. So yeah. Okay, so 6,100 damage. Absolutely insane. And he misses. Oh, that's bad for him. Okay, hopefully we have some like one of those whatever attacks. So now he's going insane again because someone just donated $3 to him. Yeah. Okay, so how many cars are there? There are 5 cars. Hopefully he just keeps answering these questions quickly so that I can win. Okay, hopefully this goes by really fast because I really gotta go. And he keeps missing them. Hopefully he keeps missing them so that I can easily win this battle. Okay, the answer is 1420. And I gotta cast spell. Okay, I am stressing out right now because I really gotta hurry because I gotta go in a few minutes. So hopefully just answers these questions fast instead of celebrating about how he just got donated $15. You know. Okay, so we take out his wizard. Very good for us. And he hits. We almost got this wrapped up in the bag, guys. This is absolutely insane. Hopefully we can keep this good luck going. Just get your pet in fast. Please. Please. Come on, Prodigy Bro. Okay, so we went with Ion Cannon. Wait, no, we didn't. We actually... Okay, so I gotta go, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and bye.